Hello, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to explore Ramanagara. Ramanagara is known for beautiful scenes of nature, and we here explore 4 different places. Number 1 is the Adobe Lake. It's the largest lake in Ramanagara with absolutely beautiful views. Spent a quite amount of time exploring the lake. From there, we went to the Canva Reservoir. It's an artificial lake. We spent a lot of time there just exploring. There is a place to walk along the shores of the reservoir. And also there is some kind of a dam there at that side. This is very peaceful, you can just come here, spend so much of time without even knowing that we are loving it, absolutely loving it. Also many birds call this place their home, and many people also enjoying the nature here. We headed to Kere backwater. It's just 15 minutes from Ramanagara, where you could actually see so many shorebirds. It was a very quiet village. This water is mostly used for the irrigation purposes. So it was an idyllic South Indian village with a natural lake.
பார்த்துருச்சு நம்ம எடுக்கிறத டக்கை எவரிக்க ரெடி ஆகுது அதுக்குள்ள.
From there we went to a completely new location called the Timapana Betta. This was a beautiful little hilltop where you can actually take your bike till the top. If you come, definitely come along with your bikes so that you can actually come till the top where you can view this twin rock at a distance. There are long standing boulders, everywhere we can see it here. It's like a beautiful view from the top. There are many people here with the national flag because today is Independence Day, 15th August 2022. So many came with their bikes up till here and then they're just taking some selfies, pictures. These are the 4 places I feel any nature lover would definitely love. If you're in Bangalore, do visit these places to have some fun as well as be closer to nature. Really soak in the solitude and the peace which comes along with nature. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, please do comment. If you are new to this channel, subscribe. We have very new videos coming soon.